My name is Johannes Hornung. I'm Regional Sales Manager and responsible for the iBelt solution at Inrad. We are here at a sand and gravel mine in Germany. What you see here in the back is the new iBelt self-commissioning kit. It's the latest product by Inrad that can be fully commissioned by the client. And within one shift downtime, we were able to install it and commission the system. The iBelt SC kit, iBelt self-commissioning kit, consists of 3 modules: iBelt volume, iBelt speed and iBelt align. So what you see here basically that's the processing power. So here you have a field cabinet that comes along with all the necessary hardware. Connected with that, we have 2 sensors. This is the volume sensor from the volume module that is measuring the material cross-section. It measures the contour of the material on the belt. We can divide the cross-section into several sections, and we are also able to give out the height values. This sensor is the speed sensor. So it's a speed radar that is measuring the material speed. Here you see the sensors of our iBelt Align module. The sensors measure the distance to the belt edge and also to the material. So what you can detect with this measurement on both sides is the material position, if it's in the center, if it's off center, and the same for the belt. So you measure the misalignment of the belt and, so to say, the misalignment of the material. What you can then calculate is the freeboard, the space you have left on the belt, and with that optimize your material stream. The radar is very stable. It can measure in dust, rain, fog, snow, what is typical for the mining environment. So it's really made for harsh environment. It's made for mining environment.
If we have a look at the mounts, you can see that they are all very modular designed. So everything is clamped. Nothing is attached to the structure of the belt, so you can mount them as you like and wherever you want, adapted to the site conditions.
So with the iBelt SC kit, you can really get a system that you can just unpack, including the mounts. You mount the system, you connect it, and you commission it. So it's really guiding you through a wizard. Yeah? So you can connect with the field cabinet. We are the onboard Wi-Fi, and you can set the parameters and commission it. From starting this morning to now, we needed about a little bit less than 1 shift between starting the mounting and finalizing the commissioning. So it's really a fast commissioning that can be done by any client without need of in-road support.